Hey everybody, today we're learning such a fun, core, important skill. It opens up so many possibilities of your skating, changes the way that you move, the way that you flow, it builds your confidence, and it totally levels you up. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to skate backwards. Skating backwards is quite literally skating backwards. So step one, you gotta know how to skate forwards. When you learn how to skate forwards, you start in the shape of a V. Now I'm gonna stop right there. I have a full-length video on how to skate forwards. You start with the duck walk, shape of a V, pick your feet up, go check out my video on how to learn how to inline skate and basic moves for beginners, and I will give you in detail on how to learn how to skate forwards. Important part here though is that I'm starting in the shape of a V and slowly picking my feet up. Now we're gonna turn around and do this backwards, which means I'm gonna start in the shape of an A and I'm gonna slowly pick my feet up. You gotta look over your shoulder where you're going. So my arm pointed where I wanna go, my eyes looking where I wanna go, shape of an A. Knees are bent. You're gonna slowly pick your feet up. You're turning to the A shape with every step.
Just lift your feet up, step by step, till you're very comfortable. Lifting up our feet, left and right, left and right. Just little steps, just little drills. Each foot, step by step. Don't have to go super fast at first. Over time, we'll build it up just a little bit. Push off side to side. Off the left leg, switch to the right leg. And only work your way up with more speed when you feel comfortable. Always looking over your shoulder. Stay loose, bend your knees.
Once you get some momentum, this is when you can sort of start pushing and transfer into weight transfer. So instead of actually picking your feet up, you're just gonna transfer your weight side to side. So I'm transferring my weight side to side. Again, this is doing everything forwards, backwards, so you can also practice weight transfer forwards as a drill. So I'm going forwards, I'm transferring my weight side to side. Let's get back to the backwards skating weight transfer. So now I'm skating backwards, transferring my weight side to side. Right foot, left foot. Another way to push going backwards is C push, which is when you kind of push with one foot. So you're looking where you want to go. They call these in ice skating like C cuts or C pushes. I'm doing kind of like a 1 foot thing. Looking over my shoulder, this will help you get speed. This can also help you kind of go around a corner. Another way to skate backwards, starting from a standstill, shape of an A, we're gonna do backward swizzles. This might actually be a little bit easier because your feet don't have to come off the ground. But before we do it backwards, let's do it forwards. Forward, shape of a V, and you're gonna open and close. This is called lemon drops, bubbles, swizzles. We're gonna do the exact same thing backwards. Shape of an A, open and close. Open and close. Backward swizzles. This is another way to get your momentum and get some speed going backwards. Another way to get your momentum for skating backwards is to start by skating forwards with your forward momentum and do some sort of 180 into backwards. And then see, I already have my momentum. I actually do also have a full-length video on 3 different ways to 180. Go check out that video. I'll show you 3 different ways to get into this 180 turn. So 180 is actually a really important skill to know when it comes to skating backwards, because once you become more advanced, that's kind of the way everybody does it. If you look at any of the pros, whenever they're doing any fakie tricks, they're always starting forward and then turning into fakie. Now, as you know, I just recently started learning how to ice skate. And in ice skating, there's so much backwards skating, and all of it is all about those, mohawks, 3 turns, everything to transition into the backwards. That's why it's really important to learn your 180 so you already have that momentum. So I 180, I already have my momentum. transfer my weight, side to side. Now, once you become a lot more advanced, probably not right now, this could kind of transition into a backward snake, which is more common mistakes when learning how to skate backward. The number one mistake that I see is going too wide and then getting stuck in this middle split position. I've taught dozens of kids how to skate backwards, and I can tell you that this wide is the most common problem students get into when learning how to skate backwards. To fix it, just be sure that you return to that A shape with every step. Because if you let yourself go wide, see my steps are getting wider and wider, you end up getting stuck. I'm actually really happy that I just slipped on the sand because this leads me right into my next common mistake. Not looking where you're going. Just being like, oh, I'm gonna learn how to skate backwards, and hyper focusing looking forwards and never turning your head to where you're going. This is how you crash, fall down, push into the sand and slip. That was a fake fall. How did it look? If you're feeling too fast and you want to come to a stop, you could just backwards lemon drop, wide stance, come back to the V shape. That's probably the easiest way. Or you can turn yourself back to forward and stop how you know how to stop. My most important tip, the most important step, what is going to make it so you can master your backwards skating, and that is to practice. You have to practice. Learning how to skate backwards isn't going to happen day one. It's going to happen with the power of repetition. Don't forget, practice is your best teacher. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.